Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alecia's kitchen. So in today's video I will be making these juicy chicken kebabs. Now let's cook. So guys, here I have 2 large chicken breasts. Now I'm gonna be cutting those in cubes. Now guys, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to hit that bell, that post notification bell, so you can get notified when I post new video. Also please to go and follow me on my Instagram at Alecia's_kitchen. Now I'm adding corn oil just so that the season can stick to the chicken. Now guys, I'm going in with Maggi all-purpose season, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, Cajun season, and parsley. Now you just want to combine all those seasons with your chicken, just making sure that it is well coated. Then after, I'm gonna let that marinate for an hour. So now guys, the rest of my ingredients for my kebabs, we have some orange and green bell pepper, red onion, and pineapple. Now you're gonna thread the chicken along with the pepper on the skewer, then your red onion and pineapple. But somehow along the way guys, I just forgot what I was doing and I just started putting whatever, okay? So okay, now I'm gently placing those skewers on a wire rack. Then I'm gonna be basting it with oil just so that it can retain its moisture and it doesn't dry out. So now guys, here we have our chicken kebab. Now I'm going to be baking these at a temperature at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Now guys, here we have the finished product. Our chicken was juicy, it was delicious, it was so good guys, especially with the pineapple in it. It was just Hawaiian. Okay. Now I did went ahead and I made some yellow rice, so I'm just gonna be serving that with it. But I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.